late in the morning is no fun, so today I'll show you my morning routine plus over 25 life hacks and DIYs that will help you get ready fast and start the day right. How annoying it is when alarm wakes you up from a super nice dream. Well, luckily this song is so good and it actually makes waking up way easier and more fun. The worst thing is to wake up to an annoying sound like... Yep, it immediately sets the path for a bad start of the day. And that's the last thing we want, right? So here's an epic hack. In the evening before going to sleep, set your favorite song as the alarm. You have to open the clock app, click Edit, Sound, and then choose the song you love. After having some sweet dreams, the next morning you will wake up to the sound of your favorite track. This will instantly put you in a great mood, which is essential for a positive start to a day. Because kicking the day off happy is a foundation of a great day ahead. An awesome way to wake up your body instantly is to stretch and make 10 jumping jacks as soon as you get out of bed. Jumping jacks will speed up your heart rate and improve the circulation of blood throughout your body. They're simple, quick, yet very effective. Another thing I do every single morning when I wake up is to drink a big glass of water. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated and you need to replenish the fluids as soon as possible. So keeping hydrated is extremely important, and not gonna lie, a cute water cup like this one helps a lot. While sipping on your water, try to write down one main goal for the day. It could be anything, like eat healthy, work out, finish up an essay for school, etc. Writing your goals down increases the odds of achieving them. That's because throughout the day you'll be reminded that you need to work towards accomplishing the set goal. Alright, it's time to jump in the shower. Since I don't have time to wash my hair today, I'm tying them in a high pony. Especially in the winter when our skin gets extra dry, a great hack is to use a shower gel which contains oil. Oils will keep your skin moisturized and soft, plus you'll be able to skip the after shower body lotions and save up quite some time. Another great trick to save some precious minutes in the morning is to store a face cleanser in the shower. Again, I use an oil-based face wash which works great for my super sensitive skin. After taking a shower, I put on my favorite dressing gown. It is so soft and cozy, and on top of that, it has the cutest pair of ears on the hood. Obsessed. If you store your toothbrush in a pot, you've probably noticed that it quickly gets moldy and yucky inside. So let's make a much cooler and more hygienic toothbrush holder instead. Take a tennis ball and an X-Acto knife. Make a longer, slightly curved cut on one side like that. Take a pair of googly eyes and glue them on. To make this body even cuter, let's add a little blue bow. Grab your knife again and make an X-shaped cut at the back. Be careful so you don't cut yourself. It's better to ask an adult for help if you're not used to using knives yet. Lastly, take a suction cup and push it in. How cool! You can now attach this cutie to any surface and it will hold your toothbrush, pens, pencils, or even keys. Toothbrush pots get all moldy because of the water that drips from a toothbrush and collects inside. With a holder like this, any excess water will drip right into the sink and your toothbrush will dry completely and fast, so say hello to a much more hygienic toothbrush. Alright, let's wash our teeth. I've slightly changed my teeth brushing routine the past couple of months. First, I'm washing my teeth with a normal toothpaste, as always. After that, I dip my toothbrush into activated charcoal black powder. I've never whitened my teeth before because I'm just too afraid of those toxic chemicals. Even my dentist said that she wouldn't recommend it. This, on the other hand, is 100% natural and organic teeth whitener, so I thought let's give it a try. I know, I look like a horror movie character, but it really leaves my teeth feeling super clean and white. Okay, we're done with the bathroom, so it's time to get dressed. Instead of storing clothes in piles, roll them and place close to each other in several rows. This way you'll have a much better overview and will definitely save lots of time and nerves when getting ready. When you really don't have time figuring out what you're gonna wear, the best thing is to opt for jeans. For a top, the easiest way is to go for a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. I love the color of this one, but it's kind of plain, so I think it's time for a little DIY sweatshirt makeover. Lay your shirt on a flat surface and stick on 3 pieces of masking tape. You wanna get a cone shape because, you guessed it, we're making a yummy ice cream. Cut several thin strips of masking tape and stick them on diagonally like this. Now dip a paintbrush in some yellow fabric paint and we can start coloring our ice cream cone. In order to get very crisp and neat line, I would recommend you to always paint away from the masking tape. Otherwise, paint can leak under the tape and the lines won't be as perfect. Once all the lines are colored, it's time to remove the thin tape strips. Look at these beautiful diagonal lines! To achieve that cone waffle look, we need to make another set of thin parallel stripes in opposite direction. Stick on the tape and do some more coloring. I find DIYing things like this so therapeutic and calming. Alright, let's remove all the masking tape pieces and see what we've got. Looking pretty good so far. We got that cool cone texture effect, which was exactly what we wanted. Time to remove the 3 border masking tape pieces as well. It honestly looks even way better than I expected. Whoa! Okay, I have a confession to make. I am obsessed with fluffy pom-poms. I'm wearing them on my backpacks, jeans, bags, and now I want them on my shirt as well. Apply some fabric glue above the cone shape and stick on your first pom-pom. Yep, each pom-pom will represent 1 scoop of ice cream, and I want 3 scoops. I got these pom-poms for less than $1 each, but you can even make your own from yarn. How out of this world cute is this pom-pom ice cream sweatshirt, right? I cannot explain how happy I am with it. A complete makeover from plain to absolutely fabulous. I love buying simple, affordable clothes and revamping them into unique and cute pieces that I love to wear for years to come. I'm obsessed with the cool fluffy texture from pom-poms, and all in all, I think I got myself a new favorite sweatshirt.